kitten, a bit fat but otherwise lovely and very talented. Sausage-addicted slugcat, too fat to walk. Slug became fat on barbecue handouts, too fat to escape mauling by lizards. She weighed a whopping 540 grams. Too many tasty sausages almost killed this slugcat, but health worries weren't a threat. She became so obese from barbecue handouts she could not walk when attacked by outskirts. After weighing in at 540 grams, 40% heavier than a typical adult slug, the slugcat has been sent to slug boot camp to shed weight, prompting Taronga Zoo to warn we are killing our wildlife with kindness. I meet someone. We talk. They're worth 25 points. Getting sentenced to lifetime in prison, 1 hour in farm arrays. Your Jordans are fake as fuck. Yes. Splendid, soft, rotund specimen. Bring me neurons, you fucking useless rodent! Hi, can I get me trying to kill them with my mind? So, about moon, L plus ratio plus level 1 karma plus no water plus unenlightened plus go touch void fluid plus you have the rot plus SOS better. Like to slap his bald head. Share to slap his bald head. I love pickles! Uncle Ben, what happened? Slugcat! My man. The skak behind the slaughter. You can't defeat me. I know, but he can. What breed is he? Just a little boy. Health. Toxic black mold is rotting my brain. I love Rain World. I love Rain World. I love hibernating. I love Rain World. You don't understand. I love surviving. I love paying for my spears. Woo! I love eating. Yeah! I love putting extra hours into the same thing every single day. I love speed running. But please calm down.